Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your Android 16 version. In this video, I will show you 4 different methods to capture the screenshot on your Android 16 devices. So let's see one by one. First method is the one of the oldest and standard method. You can use the power button and volume down button. Just open the screen you want to take a screenshot and long press the power button and volume down at the same time like this, and you can see take a screenshot on your device. Here you can edit the screenshot, share the screenshot also with your friends or any other family member. Second method, you can use the recent application. Just swipe up and hold to view the recent application. At the bottom you can see screenshot option. Just tap on it to take a screenshot on your Android 16 version. Also you can find another setting. Just tap on the app icon and you can find the screenshot option also here. This is the only option available in the latest Android 16 version. So this is the screenshot option. Now third method, you can use quick tap gesture. Just double tap on the back of your pixel device and take a screenshot like this on your device. To use this quick tap gesture, make sure enable this feature. To enable it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down until the system, tap on a system. Now again scroll down. Here you can find the gesture option, tap on it. At the top, you can find quick tap to start action, tap on it. Now make sure toggle on this option and select the take screenshot option. Now tap the back of your Pixel device. So this is my Pixel 10 device. So depend on your Pixel device. This feature not available in all the brand. So make sure you can use this quick tap gesture if your Pixel device to take a screenshot on your Android 16 version. The last method, you can use the Google Gemini or a Google Assistant. Then run the Gemini and say take a screenshot option. So let's see. Hey Google, take a screenshot. I've taken it. Now here you can see take a screenshot using the Gemini or Google Assistant on your Android 16 version. So this is the all four method you can use to capture the screenshot on your Android 16 version. Which one is your favorite method? Please tell us in the comment section below. That's it. Thanks for watching this.